Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Chase app stuck on loading screen with a spinning circle that never goes away? Before you uninstall and lose your settings, try these quick fixes first. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the Chase app, and then force close the Chase app. Now, wait for a few hours and then reopen it. Now go to your iPhone settings and then tap Wi-Fi and switch from your home Wi-Fi to mobile data by turning Wi-Fi off. Then reopen the Chase app, and banking apps like Chase sometimes get stuck in a broken Wi-Fi session, and switching mobile to mobile data starts a fresh connection. If that does not fix, go back to the settings and then go to general, then scroll down and tap VPN and device management, and make sure that all VPNs are turned off. Even if you think you turned it off, double check here. If it's still spinning, go to the settings and again go to general and scroll to iPhone storage and find Chase in the list and tap on the Offload app option, then reinstall the fresh version from the App Store. So all you've got to do is switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, turn off VPN, and then offload and reinstall Chase. The loading loop will stop then. Subscribe for more Chase Bank app fixes.